Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen, and then we can enter the settings, which should be in this upper panel. So let's tap. Now let's enter languages, which are at the top. And right here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So of course you can scroll, or you can simply enter the name of the language you're looking for. And after finding, just tap on it. Right here we've got the keyboard types, and the amount of them depends on the specific language. Sometimes you'll have only one or two, and sometimes even up to 7 different ones. So simply mark the one you'd like to use and tap on Done. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to the list. Before I'll show you how to remove the previous language, let me go back to the keyboard, because I'd like to also show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. As you can see here, we've got the hint, the tip of how to use the keyboard right now. So we have to focus on this globe icon here, thanks to which we can change the layout. So as you can see, it is pretty easy. What is more, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, which is especially useful if the keyboard layouts are really similar between two languages. So you can always check which one you're using right now. So in order to remove the language from the list, from the keyboard, we have to enter the settings again and tap on the languages. And right here in this step, we can tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language we want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.